you're just giving your tape somewhere to stick to. It'll stick to the wall, but it sticks to this a lot better. Move that out a little bit. Okay, just like that. And then we'll get our tape started. Try not to get it all over me like I always do when I do this. God damn, just getting that first piece off is the pain in the ass. Come on. That's what happens when you buy the Home Depot stuff. I'm never sure what I'm getting. Yeah, God damn it. Let's cut it. Might mess up the first couple of strips doing it this way, but whatever. Yeah, let's get that out of there. I got plenty of tape. Don't want the strings, that's for sure. Okay. It's always hard finding that first strip. Damn it. Wasting time here.